The MA Crossover Histogram Signal Indicator for MT4, MetaTrader 4, is a crossover system that draws the actual signal bars as an histogram in a separate chart window. Buy and sell signal. The first blue-colored histogram bar is the actual buy signal. The first red-colored histogram bar is the actual sell signal. The indicator works equally well on all assets, forex, CFD stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and shows promising results if used correctly. The MA Crossover Histogram Indicator is a MetaTrader 4, MT4, indicator that can be used with any forex trading system for extra confirmation to enter or exit a trade. This indicator works with all currency pairs and all time frames. Once you download and install the indicator, it will appear in your trading chart, like the image shown above. Trading forex is easy if you have the right strategy, indicators, and discipline to stick with the rules and strategy you set. Most professional traders make profitable returns consistently. To become a successful trader, you must invest time in learning forex and develop a profitable trading strategy that suits your trading style. You can find hundreds of forex indicators like MA Crossover Histogram Indicator on our website that can help you in building your trading strategy. Don't overcome emotions and greediness, and be patient and stick to your main trading strategy. If the trades are profitable, stick to that strategy. If not, then move to another strategy. You can go to our Forex Strategies section to explore the latest trading strategies. All these strategies are tested and have shown great results for our members. Self-discipline is the most important aspect of trading. The market itself is not consistent and may drive traders to a losing trade or position. Therefore, providing a stop loss and take profit is a must. Always use proper money management techniques and to start small when you go live. The MA Crossover Alerts Indicator for MetaTrader is the best indicator for trading moving averages crossover. It gives you signal alerts once two moving averages, fast and slow MA, cross each other. The MT4 indicator assists you to identify different trading opportunities during trend reversal and continuation of a trend. The aim is to notify you once the two moving averages crossover, which could be potential trading setups. The moving average crossover alert indicator paints a buy/sell arrow signal immediately after the fast and small moving averages crossover. The indicator looks simple on charts and doesn't make your trading dashboard look messy as both moving averages are hidden from the chart. This makes it convenient to use this indicator since it doesn't interfere with the candlestick's view on your chart. Moreover, the indicator can be integrated into scalping, day, intraday, or swing trading. However, this MT4 indicator shouldn't be used in isolation. It should be used as a confluence with your trading strategy or with price action. It is also recommended to use it in the company of other trading indicators. This is because moving averages do lag behind price. How to use the MA Crossover Alerts Indicator for buy/sell signals. The above chart shows the MA Crossover Alerts Indicator for MT4 in action on a US dollar to Japanese yen chart. The indicator paints an arrow signal once a crossover happens between the fast moving average period 6 and the slow moving average period 480. The indicator is recommended for both beginners and experts forex traders. It gives more reliable trading signals on the higher time frames. This is because the lower time frames have too many noises. While it is true that moving averages, crossover shows potential trading opportunities, however, not all crossovers are valid signals. So, the indicator is best used with price action or any trading strategy. For instance, the above signal depicts a valid buy setup. The MA Crossover Alerts Indicator painted a buy signal arrow which coincides with a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. The buy arrow acts as a confluence with the engulfing pattern to confirm that the market is in an uptrend. Consequently, the signal was right. The market moved a few pips upward. This is just a typical way of putting this indicator to good use. You can also use the indicator to take profit or cut losing trades, especially when it gives the opposite arrow that aligns with price action. Working on my first JavaScript indicator for Tradovate. So far everything seems to work great without any bugs. That said, I'd like to make two changes. Histogram to plot greater than 0,